What's up, everyone? It's Mad Dog. So, I have a item to unbox. I already took it out of the shipping package. I just figured it'd make it easier. Um, some of you are going to go, why do you have this? Just because I don't have the player to play it on yet. If everything goes right, I am going to be getting, me and my wife, a 4K player next month for our anniversary. And a couple other movies. I have another movie coming in. It should be here probably next week. But for now, here's my very first 4K movie in my collection. Jumanji The Next Level. I have not seen this one yet. Little side note. When Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle came out, I was so against it that I refused to go see it in theaters. I wasn't even going to waste my time with it because it wasn't the Robin Williams Jumanji. I really like that movie. I just watched it 2-3 days ago, and even though the graphics are outdated, it's still a really good movie. Got a lot of funny scenes in it. And all that kind of good stuff. So, a friend of mine bought Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle on Blu-ray and gave me the digital code. I figured, you know what, why not? It's a free movie. Worst case scenario, I don't like it. I never look at it again. I just skip over it. But to my surprise, I actually enjoyed Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle. I thought it was really well done. I like the fact that it's an actual sequel, because if you look it up on Wikipedia, it actually says that it is a sequel to the 1995, if I'm not mistaken, Jumanji movie, starring Robin Williams, and I can't think of the other names off the top of my damn head, even though I should be able to. As I've stated before, my memory sucks for names, but in the sequel, you have The Rock, or Dwayne Johnson, as he's more known as nowadays, Jack Black, Kevin Hart, right? Yeah, Kevin Hart, and Karen Gillan? I probably just said that name all wrong, but I didn't see this in theaters. I've never watched it. I'm hoping it's good. I know it did well in theaters, but that doesn't mean anything. To me, at least. A movie can do bad in theaters. If I enjoy it, I enjoy it. If not, I won't waste my time with it. So, let me set you guys down so I can actually take off the plastic. And why are you so out of focus? So, we have it open now. I have no problem showing you guys the codes to a degree. I'm not going to get up close like I am for the free ones that I give away, because I am going to be using this. So by the time this gets uploaded, it'll already be used. Here's the Blu-ray copy, which this is the one I'm going to be watching shortly. I can't watch this one yet, which is always risky buying it in advance, because if my if my plans don't go as I'm hoping, then I won't have my 4K player next month. But I'm really hoping that everything works out. So here's the 2-disc. Over here you've got the main crew from the new Jumanji series. And then over on the 4K disc, you have some kind of monkeys. I don't know the actual name of those monkeys. They're not orangutans, I don't think. I don't know. If you guys know what it is, leave a comment down below. But this is my very first 4K, and you really need to focus in my collection. Let's see if I turn on the flash, if it'll help. I've been doing these in my bedroom. They're my reviews. Not reviews, but showing my Blu-ray collection. So this is just going to be a short video, because there's not much more to do. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have actually seen the movie, comment down below your thoughts on it. Hopefully me and the wife will enjoy it. I guess I'll be finding out here in a little while. But for now, you're watching the Mad Dog Show. This is Mad Dog, signing out.